What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Palace unboxing. This is for the brand new season and this was the very first drop of the season. I know they don't really call it like SS20 week 1 like Supreme does, so I don't really know exactly what to title this. So yeah, it's like the summer range week 1 and let's get right into this. So I didn't really get anything too crazy, to be honest with you guys, but I still wanted to make an unboxing. I'm also super angry at myself because I got the wrong thing that I wanted to, because on Palace you gotta be so quick. Just like Supreme, you don't really have time to think, and I accidentally misclicked and ended up with this. I'm a little upset about it, to be honest, because it wasn't what I wanted, especially paying that price. Maybe I'll like it a little bit better in person. Alright, so we got the return form thing here, and then this was something I've been wanting for a while, but never wanted to pay the $12 shipping with it, so I waited until I could get multiple things. It is the Palace temporary tattoos. I collect all the stickers, and I know this isn't a sticker, but it kind of goes with it, so I really want to add this to my collection, and I finally got it. Pretty sick though. I like this concept because I don't really feel like any other places I've done this, so thought that was pretty sick. Next up, if you saw my other Palace unboxing, I got this bag in the medium size because I thought I had the large one. Huge mix up on my part, so I got the large bag now just so I could have this set. I actually do use these when I go on photo shoots, so yeah, for 10-12 bucks, something like that, I feel like I couldn't go wrong. Decided to pick this up because I also didn't want to pay just shipping for it, so I waited until I get something else. And lastly, what we have right here is basically the best part of the unboxing. I finally got a Tri-Ferg hoodie, but like I said, a little bit bummed. I mean, can't really complain because I got it for retail, but I'm just a little bit bummed I got it in this colorway. This is the what, I don't even know really, actually, like the light, was it light blue colorway or something like that? Sky blue colorway. I wanted it in the gray color, but I was just going so fast I didn't even really notice until it was already in my cart and I was in line, and I was like, wait, I got the wrong one. Can't really be too upset. It is the Tri-Ferg logo right here, and once you unfold it, that's the best part because you got the Tri-Ferg on the back. This thing is still pretty sick. I just felt like the gray would be better. I don't really know if I'd even see myself wearing this. I don't know, who knows. I do like it. I'm gonna try it on. I don't really know if it's gonna fit. I've never had a Palace hoodie, so I just went and got like the same size I would get in a Supreme one, so hopefully it fits. It does look a little big, and honestly, after saying all that, it's actually not really that bad. Like, I feel like I still could wear it. It does actually look like it's gonna fit huge, so I guess I'll throw it on real quick just to see. Alright, so it actually does fit pretty good. I'm definitely getting some like snowboarding vibes with this, and then with these like zippers on it, it does fit me pretty good. Like, even like lengthwise, it's a little bit big. It's not like crazy big like I thought. I don't know what that is. It kind of looks like that's like a dye stain or something. I don't know. I might sell it. I might keep it. I'm still like on the fence about it. I'm not like in love with it, but I was just so hyped I was able to get a Tri-Ferg hoodie for retail. So yeah, I'm still on the fence about it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. It was a really quick Palace unboxing. I didn't even go for much. This is basically everything I went for. I mean, if you consider the hoodie is what I wanted, I basically got everything I wanted. I'm not really looking to get too much more from Palace this season. I just really want that mug whenever the mug's gonna drop. They didn't really do any accessories, so that was kind of a bummer. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys did like this season from Palace. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from the Palace drop. If you haven't already, make sure you drop a like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.